In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a case on Etsy, whether you're dealing with an item that hasn't arrived or something that wasn't quite what you expected. Handling issues on Etsy can be a straightforward process, and I'll guide you each step of the way. To get started, make sure you're logged into your Etsy account. Once you're in, you'll want to head over to the Purchases and Reviews section. This is essentially your order history on Etsy, where all the orders you've ever placed are listed. It's like a digital filing cabinet for your online shopping. Scroll through the list and find the particular order that's been giving you trouble. This step might take a moment, so it's important to take your time here to ensure you've identified the correct item. Getting this right is essential for addressing your specific issue effectively. Before jumping straight to opening a case, it's wise to try resolving the issue directly with the seller first. Many times this can lead to a quicker resolution because sellers usually prefer to handle their customers' concerns directly. To start this conversation, click on the order and choose the option to contact the seller. In your message, remember to be polite yet direct. Clearly state what the problem is and what outcome you are hoping for. Sellers generally appreciate this straightforward approach and are often willing to work with you to make things right. However, if the seller's response isn't satisfying, or if they don't respond at all, it might be time to take the next step, opening a case. For this, head back to the Order Details page. Look for an option labeled Help with Order. By selecting this, you'll find another option that allows you to open a case. Once you decide to open a case, Etsy will prompt you to specify the issue you're encountering. Options like Item Not Received or Item Not As Described are usually available, depending on your situation. Choose the one that most accurately describes what you're dealing with. This choice helps Etsy understand your situation more clearly so they can provide the right assistance. Following that, you'll need to provide a detailed explanation of the problem. Think about what details might be necessary for Etsy to know. Include points like when the issue first came up, any communications you've had with the seller, and the reasons why the item doesn't meet the description or why it hasn't arrived as applicable. The clearer you are, the better Etsy and the seller can understand the situation. After you've detailed your issue, go ahead and submit the case. Etsy will then begin the mediation process between you and the seller. This usually involves them reviewing the case details and contacting the seller to work toward a resolution. While this process might take some time, it ensures that buyers are treated fairly and issues are thoroughly looked into. With patience and clear communication, opening a case on Etsy can help you resolve problems efficiently and effectively. Thanks for tuning in. I hope this guide has been helpful.